friends, welcome you all to the code world. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to print a R pattern. You can see our R pattern will look like this only. So in this tutorial what we will do, we will just create two to print this R pattern. We want two for loop, first for loop for a rows and second for loop for a column. So what we will try, okay, let's start first of all writing some code. So first for loop for a rows. So for row in range of, let's take a 7, okay, because we have 7 rows. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, that's why I have taken 7. And second for columns, for col in a range of, this is also 7. You can count it like here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, okay, perfect. So if these two conditions for loop pass, then our condition will be, if so for this, first of all we want for to print this first row is this row straight line, okay. To print this, if our row equals to 0, then print asterisk, okay. Or if our first row and third row is filled, is true, then print that's asterisk, okay. If so, row equals 0 or row equals to, this is 0th row, say first row, second row and third row. So row equals 0 and third row, then put straight line, okay. Then one more condition. So if our row equals to 6 and our, sorry, I think I have taken mistake. If our column equals to 6 and our row should be less than 4. So what this statement says, our column should be 6. So this is our 6th column, last one, this is our 6th column, and row should be less than 4. Less than 4 means from 0 to 3 only. So this is 0 1 and 2 and 3. It will run till here only, okay. So if this is true, then print asterisk. And or if row equals to 4 and column equals to 2, or here or will become, so what this condition state, if our rows is 4th, so this is our 4th row and column should be 2, so this is 4th row, and this, for this star, you can say I have highlighted only this star, only for this star our column is 2nd, okay. So it will print star. Or if row equals to 5 and column equals to 3, this statement what it will do, so rows is 5, so this is our 4th row, this is our 5th row, this 5th row and 3rd column, so 3rd column is this, you can see here, this is our 3rd column, it will print S star, okay. And for this last star we will do same. If row equals to 6 and column equals to 6, if this all condition is true, then print star till end in same line, okay. else else print space in the thing. Perfect. And last print. Okay. Okay, we have right over with written our code, so let's try and run it. So okay, I will not cut this error because doing a mistake is better thing that you are learning something. Okay, from C, let's see where we have done mistake. So I think we have done mistake. Let's bring it down. Scroll up. Okay, so this star is perfectly we are getting, so this is row 0. No, row 0 means column 0 means this line. Okay, then row 0 means this one, then row equals to 3 0 1 2 3, this one. So on row 4 also we are getting. So you can see here we are getting this mistake, this error, because here I have 10 and here will become or. Okay, so let's try with the fresh terminal, kill this terminal and start with the fresh terminal. So here or will be not, here and will become. Okay, and any is never else we have done mistake, now it is perfect. So let's delete this also and start with. So you can perfectly see where we are getting the perfectly R shape. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And you have not watched any previous video of my alphabets pattern, then please go and watch it. We will learn something. Okay, so thanks for watching.